Let's talk about embedding in your new Google site. Embedding might feel like an overwhelming or scary activity, but honest and truly, it's very simple. So notice over here to the right, I had added my blog as a link. That navigates me away from my website. What if I wanted people to be able to see my blog right within my Google site? It's possible. I added a web page inside of my Google site, and here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a double click. I'm going to choose the embed, which are these gold carrots, and I have two options. If I know the URL, I'm going to use that. If I have the embed code, which from a lot of places you will be able to see both as options, I'm going to use just the simple URL. You can see it pulling back information right away. I want it to insert my whole page, and notice it says show dynamically updating the site. Or over here, it could just be a small preview. I wanted to actually pull in my I wanted to actually pull in my blog. So I'm going to go ahead and say insert. And here you go. Here is my blog right on my Google site. Now I can do some adjusting with the size. And as you see, sometimes it will take a little bit longer. Don't be worried about that. It's just there's a lot of content going on right now. And that will now live right in my website.